All right, it's a rainy day, Mother's Day. Kind of like the last official crawfish boil of the year, kind of, mid-May. But it's raining. I don't know if y'all can see. It's raining. It's supposed to rain all evening. So what we're gonna do, we're up under my gazebo. I don't know if y'all can see where I'm at. Under my gazebo, and we've got a table and everything set up. And we just started. Water going on. Heat going on. Get it ready so it'll get to boiling. We're gonna throw the seasonings in. That's the old liquid concentrate. Just regular old cayenne pepper. Looks like they're doing a little sweet potato, regular potatoes, lemon, onions. Over here we got some mushrooms, some more crab ball, a little Tabasco. So yeah, when we start adding stuff, we'll let you know. All right, the first little batch of seasoning. Whole bag. What we got going on is just a traditional crawfish boil. We're not putting nothing funny in there like the orange juice and all the things that a lot of people are doing nowadays, lemongrass. And this is straight up traditional Louisiana. We got a little something else going in. A Tabasco. Straight up cayenne. Alright, you got your lemons. Now we're throwing in some onions. like I said before, this is just traditional seasoning. This is just the seasoning that everybody was brought up on, raised up on. You just get away from the Kool-Aid. The Kool-Aid and the Fanta beer. The KY. What do they do? The Faygo. I've seen put Faygo in there. There ain't gonna be no artichokes up in here. There ain't gonna be no cauliflower and all the things. And if you have some young kids running around, throw some weenies over in there, that'd be all right. But this is just regular. So we're fixing to go get some crawfish and we're gonna get it started. Little bag of taters. Some sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. Some whole garlic heads. All right. Look at that.
All right, now we got to figure out a way to.
Crawfish?
Yeah.
Well, you can,
Well, you're a gamer now, so.
No, she told me a gamer. I was playing a game last night that watched their live.
Oh, gotcha.
I was playing
you're going to put what, half of it?
Look, you put on. Yeah. Yeah, this is a 90 quart. Yeah.
You ain't dropped nothing. Go
Good.
See that? Oh, that crawfish didn't want to let go. You grabbed him. But you can eat them right It's so good.
It smells nice.
Earlier this week. It was the girl that had brought a crawfish into the airport. fish wasn't gonna be that then y'all cook for them.
It's all so good. Everybody's full
Yep. Real
except
full.
for
That one.
that one.
I mean, it's crawfish. You don't really get full.
That's the trick. She's just eating the crawfish, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
juice all over.